Alright, earlier today it was sunny and pretty with a little bit of clouds, and now it has turned into crazy winds and lots of rain. It may not look like much, but it's a lot. It all happened in about 5 minutes. We were out here, we decided to go fishing. It started sprinkling. We drove 3 minutes to the bridge. And then it started pouring. Big old pretty drops of rain. Now there's puddles everywhere. And it's beautiful. Yep. I've never seen anything like it. Desert rain is not like this. It's tropical, I'm told. Pretty cool, huh?